Oh man, it's raining like a mug. Don't you hate that? Be all hype, ready to go do stuff, and you be like, oh man, it's raining. It's coming down pretty good too.
Huh?
I know that they coming. How is everyone doing? It's Right Lifestyle back with another video. If you're new to the channel, you know, stick around, see what it's about. At the end, if you like it, you rock with it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that like button, and share it with your homies, share it with your friends. Let us know, hey, we found this cool dude, man. His channel straight too. Like, hey, y'all should rock with him because he going up all 2021. Thought you was gonna get me. No, but anyway, from the title, you can see what I'm about to do today. But to give y'all 3 quick little tips, 3 quick little hints. Not hints, but hidden features. That's what I'm looking for. That's what I'm looking for. 3 hidden features that I found since I've been driving this car. You know, it's been my daily. And here shortly, I'm going to do my 1-year review. So it's going to be 1 year exactly that I had this car on April 15th, which is also my brother's birthday. So, yeah, that's crazy. Time flies, man. Time flies crazy. But we're gonna go ahead and check these tires, check these rims. Let's go ahead and see how this power stop was living. Let me open this other garage. So this light is not bright at all. So we would need some of this outside light. And so y'all know my other rotors were messed up, and it really I was trying to see something. I was kind of like trying to test different products and stuff like that. So I bought some cheap rotors, like cheaper type rotors from CarQuest, and they were like 90 something, 90 bucks, 800 bucks, something like that. I don't remember the price for sure, but it was around there. And I bought them, threw them on, you know, trying to see what they would do because they look exactly like the OEM ones. That's the only reason why I did it. So the back looked good. The front one, man, when I show y'all this, you're gonna be like, what the heck?
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
So y'all know I haven't changed my rotors and brakes, you know, that long ago. But, so check that out. It is all, you can see it all rusty and stuff right there. Sorry, it's starting to get burn marks. You can smell it. You know what I'm saying? But let's see, let's check. Ready? Oh, that's minimal. Hey, them power stops be working, boy. Oh, that's crazy. Let's check the back. That's crazy. That's crazy. It's actually pretty good. I bet you it'll work even better if I just get, I'm about to get power stop rotors. Like I said, I was just testing the rotors, and then I'm about to change these out. So I'm thinking about just sticking with the needles. Y'all see I got the needle 555 G2s, and I'm thinking about sticking with those because those things sticky. When they get sticky, like warmed up, them things hook crazy, like crazy. So matter of fact, I hit y'all with a warm start. This is legit. Hit y'all with a legit cold start. I'm in the rain for this one. Y'all ready? And get some light in this sucker. That way we are able Oh, we got a package. That way we are That way we are able to talk about what I want to talk about and while the car is warming up. So, anyway, so some stuff I wanted to talk about, right? Quick. So, for y'all don't know, this is my 2020 Dodge Charger Daytona 392, and I was doing some digging around, just like searching, trying to find, cause I wanted, so back in the day, all Daytona trims and stuff like that came with a number. So I was trying to see, where can I find out the number of this, that was made or whatever. And so I went online and I was searching around, and I pulled up with a 2020s that was built, end of 2019 on in, right? And the cool thing, and I posted up here for y'all, the cool thing is, so this color in the 392 Daytona is actually 70 made in 2020. It's 70 made in the United States and 1 in Canada, I believe. Y'all see it here, But I just thought that was cool. I was like, okay, so that's why you don't see a lot of these running around, too much. I haven't seen them personally. So, I just thought that was a nice little fun fact. I just throw out there to y'all guys, just in case y'all was wondering. I thought it was cool. But anyway, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get this camera turned around so we can get into the video, and I can show y'all 3 quick tips, 3 quick hints, 3 quick, hidden features, as you would say, of the Dodge Charger 392. So the first thing that I want to show y'all is, and it's crazy because I still get people that ask me, how do you do that? How do you do this? How do you do that? All right, so you can set this up at the bottom any way you want, like any way you want, right? So normally what I do, I have my performance pages here, settings, phone, uconnect, navigation, climate meter. That's how I like it, But for you to move everything around, right, you just press and hold, click and drag, kind of like your phone. It's just that simple. It's literally that simple. That's all you do. You can pick anything you want, and let's go over. Pick anything you want and put it down there. So I'm just gonna click and drag this, just because it's already down there. But yeah, so that's all you do. That's literally it. And it's just, simple as 1, 2, 3. Another hidden feature, well, not really hidden. So like with the uconnect, if you got uconnect, right, and let's say you got the the Sirius, whatever, you're using and stuff like that, which I do because it comes with the app. You can use your app to like check everything out, and you can also use it to see your tire pressure, your odometer. It has everything on it. The rain is really picking up. So another feature it has, right, you click here and look, you click travel link and you can pull up all this stuff. So you can pull up the weather map to see, everything right now, which is, that's what we in right now, the rain. You can actually pull up the forecast right here, boom. And you can also change the location, wherever you want. Another one is the fuel prices. So you can see, where you can go to get fuel in the surrounding areas, which is, crazy. I normally go to Parker's. That's where I go to. But, yeah. Sports, you got movie listings. If you want to hit up the, the movies, you can see what's going on and everything. And yeah, another phone call, my bad. But anyway, yeah, you can pull up the movie listings and see what's going on there and stuff. And then last but not least, the one I like to go to all the time. So let's say you're driving along, you just cruising, you can have it in eco mode, right? Let's say you got it in eco mode. And you're riding along, cruising, and let's say you have your navigation up, right? So you cruising along, and you know somebody pulling up next to you, and they like, hey, can I get some smoke? You know, you're like, okay. Then you gotta press the button, and then you know you go and select and find what's going on. But you know you're trying to drive and downshift and stuff. You don't even gotta go through all that. So what a lot of people don't know is, as you driving, if you double tap drive mode, boom, it goes straight to your custom, and it'll go where you have everything set up, whether you want the transmission set up, the track, or everything. Like I keep mine on street, because you know we street around here, you know what I'm saying?
Oh my god, stop your fucking
I'm just kidding. But yeah, I have mine set up, you know, the street, and you know you can change it however you want, but that's my go-to. So that's my quick video on, you know, the 3 hidden features that I find cool, that I find useful, and you know, that I really like. And you know, I hope this video helped you, you know, learn your car some. You know, after a year of driving and stuff, you know, you play around and you start learning stuff. And another thing, matter of fact, I got one more part I can show y'all, because I still get people that don't know how to do it, how to use launch control, how to properly use launch control. You'd be surprised how many people don't know how to properly use launch control. But now I said that for another video, so that'll be another video for another time, where I can have my phone set up, maybe have somebody else help me and stuff, so we can get different angles and stuff like that. So until next time, you know, hope y'all enjoyed the video. If you did, like, share, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good jazz. Thank y'all for rocking with me. Thank you for checking out the channel. And, you know, until next time, peace.